Hello fans of marine life. Did you know that North Atlantic right whales may live nearly twice as long as we once thought? New research reveals these majestic creatures could reach ages of up to 70 years, or even older. Previously, researchers estimated the lifespan of right whales at around 30 to 40 years. But by studying their callosities, unique rough patches on their skin, scientists found evidence suggesting these whales age much more slowly than expected. This discovery is significant. A longer lifespan means these whales have more time to reproduce, which is crucial for a species with fewer than 350 individuals left. Sadly, right whales still face threats like entanglements and collisions. Conservation efforts are more important than ever to ensure these gentle giants can thrive for decades to come. The more we learn about these whales, the better equipped we are to protect them. Let's work together to safeguard their future. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description below.